This is a guided relaxation to help you fall asleep. When all we want is to get a good night's sleep, but our mind is too active, we tend to obsess with getting rid of our thoughts. Yet it is impossible to completely empty the mind by resisting the thoughts. We would be much wiser to learn to focus on releasing the tension in our body and relax into the constant stream of thinking. When the body softens a little, the mind will follow suit and calm down a little too. Once the mind becomes calmer, the body will automatically relax a little more. And just like that, slowly but surely, both our body and our mind will soften, relax, and drift into a deep, restful sleep. You don't need to focus on everything I say here. You will likely drift in and out. Let it be. Everything is fine. Whenever your mind becomes hyperactive, simply turn your attention to what I'm saying and see if my voice can anchor you in this moment and allow you to relax a little. Take a very comfortable sleeping position. During this guided relaxation, you can change positions, of course, but try not to move a lot. Once you feel settled in, take a nice and long inhale, pause, and as you exhale, sigh out all your day's worries. Another long, unhurried breath in, pause. On the exhale, sigh out all the day's successes. Inhale once more. Pause. And this time, sigh it all out. And now allow your breath to become very soft, completely natural. Right now, you don't need to breathe deeply at all. You don't need a whole lot of oxygen to rest quietly before you fall asleep. So let your breathing grow softer and softer, eventually becoming unnoticeable. You don't need to focus on your breath either. Trust that your body knows very well how to do it. Let the body breathe itself, relaxed, soft, sinking deeper into your bed with each gentle exhale, sinking deeper into relaxation, deeper into sleepiness. Relax your face, soft forehead, kind in the eyes, soft. The skin around your eyes smooth, your forehead unworried. Mouth may be slightly open, jaw relaxed. Maybe wiggle it a little bit if you sense some tension. Let your tongue be voluminous, resting heavily on the floor of your mouth. Maybe turn your head gently from side to side, finding this perfect position that will allow your neck to relax completely, no tension whatsoever. Soften through your shoulders, Release any tension you can sense in your hands. Notice the gentle movement of your chest up and down as you breathe softly, very softly. Your lower back relaxed, belly soft, hips, legs, feet completely relaxed, no tension. Let your body be very heavy. Allow it to sink even deeper into the bed. Muscles soft. Breathing gentle, almost unnoticeable. Bring your attention to your hands. Do they feel warm or cold now? Soft or a little rough? Heavy or light? Put one or both hands on your belly and notice the gentle movement of your breath in this area. In and out. In and out. Now put one or both hands on your ribs. Your chest. Allow the movement of your body to be gentle, really soft. And notice how your hand moves up and down as you inhale and exhale. Now lift both hands up toward your face and gently cover your eyes with your cupped hands. Let your eyes relax even more under your hands. How does it feel? Are your hands warm? Are they getting warmer still? Soften, relax, rest. Now cup your hands over your ears. Can you hear any sound as you do that? Does it remind you of the sound of the ocean? Can you imagine yourself resting on a beach? Eyes closed, lulled by the soothing rhythm of the waves, rocking you to sleep. So peaceful, so calm, so very gentle, drifting pleasantly into the dreamland. If you find that your mind is still active and there are a lot of thoughts racing around, Try not to be frustrated with yourself. It's all fine. You just need a little more time to release this tension. Imagine your mind as a beautiful, vast ocean, calm and quiet, turquoise blue, gentle, warm. And imagine your thoughts as boats. Some of them are little tiny fishing boats. Others, huge cruise ships. You are standing on the pier watching your thought boats pass slowly or fly by at the speed of light. You can name your boats if you want to. Oh, here goes my worry boat. Ah, and this is a board meeting boat. And here's that one again, the important phone call I've been postponing boat. Observe them. Name them if you wish. But try not to get on board. Simply watching from the pier. But if you suddenly find yourself on one of your thought boats, no worries. Simply return back onto the pier and continue watching them from ashore without engaging. Tomorrow you can return to them again. But right now, gentle watching from the pier is enough. Maybe let your eyes close now, even in your imagination. And as you do that, imagine yourself cupping your hands over your ears and listening to the sound of the waves rocking you to sleep. Peaceful, calm, so gentle. Drifting pleasantly into deep, restful sleep. Relaxed, quiet, deep, calm and peaceful, gentle, soft, sinking more and more into comfort and deep, restful sleep.